Say good morning, Tata Shots. Say good morning, Tata Shots. Nasa labas na kami. Today is the second day na magpapaturok ang baby Ayana ko. Wawa naman ang baby ko. Tuturo ka na naman ikaw, baby Ayana. Let me see your arm. Kung namaga ba yung ano mo. Mayroong isang medyo black ay yung kanyang ano. Rest. Kasi nga, tinanggalan. Kinuhaan siya ng dugo kahapon. Tapos today, pupunta na naman kami ulit doon para mag-ano ng blood test ulit kasi check niya, check siya ng doktor niya kung kumusta yung kanyang platelet counts, kung tumaas na ba. Hopefully, tumaas na, baby anak, no? Kasi ito yung iniinom niya, pinapainom sa kanya para maano ba siya, dehydrate. No, ma-hydrate pala, hindi dehydrate bastos. Ma-hydrate siya, yan yung pinapainom sa kanya. And dalawa na kami ng ganito. Bibiana, right? Tingnan mo yung mata naman ng anak ko na matamlay talaga. Masasabi mo talagang hindi siya ano. You're not feeling well? I'm so sorry, baby. What's wrong now? What's wrong? What do you want? Kill the ants? Oh, kill the ants? Kill the ants? Sorry, baby Yana. You have to go through with that injection again. For baby Yana. We have to trim your nails, baby. Mama need to trim your nails. What's wrong? Mama is having my coffee right now. See? I'm having my coffee. Look at mommy here on ate. Huh? Who's this? Mommy and ate? Yay! Pretty. Yeah, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. See, it's hot. It's mommy. Yay! Oh, taho daw, baby. Oh, no, don't put your hand in there. It's a bit warm. Still warm. See? That's coffee. That's not milk. It's coffee for mommy. Oh, no. Don't dare to put your hand there, Ayana. Coffee. It's coffee. Oh, no. Okay. Is it hot? Nalagyan yung kamay niya. Is it hot? Di naman siya masyadong mainit na. Okay, we have to get hurry na. Have to fix ourselves and then we go. Bukas na yata yun ngayon kasi mag-alas 9 na eh. Come on na, so we can go there early. Pagkatapos naman ni nito sa check-up, pupunta rin kami sa ophthalmologist. Kasi itong anak ko, na-infection na naman yung mata niya, namamaga. Ay, ang dami namang problema. Lord, tulungan niyo po sana kami, Lord. Okay, Mama, we're gonna finish this one, okay? Then we can go. Look at baby girl. Where's my baby girl? Oh, show them how strong you are. Wow. Yay! Yung mga mukha namin, aram, sam. What's that, bumblebee? Bumblebee. Okay. Mama, we're gonna play the bumblebee later on, okay? Yeah, but you have to finish this one first because we need to go to the doctor. You have to drink. Oh, no, don't. No hitting, please. No hitting yourself. No. What's that? Itchy? Is that itchy? Okay. One more. Yeah, very good, baby girl. Look at the balloon. The balloon is getting smaller. Look at those balloon up there. The balloon. Oh, careful. Look at the balloon. Yay. You want balloon later? Mama will give you balloon, okay? You have to finish this one first and then we will go to the doctor. We're gonna see doctor again. Okay? Magkano ka na naman ang blood test mo? Iiyak ka na naman. Okay, one more, baby. Very good, my baby girl. One more, baby, Yana. Almost done. Very good tayo today. Ha? Very good tayo today. Maubos natin itong iyong juice. Kasi kailangan mo to, baby Yana, para tumaas yung platelets count mo. Yeah. See.